I eat breakfast every day.
I eat breakfast every day.
I ate breakfast yesterday.
I ate breakfast yesterday.
She goes to school every day.
She goes to school every day.
She went to school yesterday.
She went to school yesterday.
He drinks water every morning.
He drinks water every morning.
He drank water yesterday.
He drank water yesterday.
They play football every weekend.
They play football every weekend.
They played football last weekend.
They played football last weekend.
I read a book every night. I read a book every night. I read a book last night.
I read a book last night.
She writes emails every day.
She writes emails every day.
She wrote an email yesterday.
She wrote an email yesterday.
She watches TV every evening.
She watches TV every evening.
She watched TV yesterday.
She watched TV yesterday.
I clean my room every day.
I clean my room every day.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
She cooks dinner every night.
She cooks dinner every night.
She cooked dinner every night.
She cooked dinner every night.
He studies English every day.
He studies English every day.
He studied English yesterday.
He studied English yesterday.
I take a shower every morning.
I take a shower every morning.
I took a shower yesterday morning.
I took a shower yesterday morning.
She drives to work every day.
She drives to work every day.
She drove to work yesterday.
She drove to work yesterday.
She buys groceries every week.
She buys groceries every week.
She bought groceries last week.
She bought groceries last week.
I visit my aunt every Sunday.
I visit my aunt every Sunday.
I visited my aunt last Sunday.
I visited my aunt last Sunday.
She listens to a podcast every day.
She listens to a podcast every day.
She listened to a podcast yesterday.
She listened to a podcast yesterday.
He cleans the car every week.
He cleans the car every week.
He cleaned the car last week.
He cleaned the car last week.
I write in my diary every night.
I write in my diary every night.
I wrote in my diary last night.
I wrote in my diary last night.
She opens the window every day.
She opens the window every day.
She opened the window yesterday.
She opened the window yesterday.
He fixes his bike every weekend.
He fixes his bike every weekend.
He fixed his bike last weekend.
He fixed his bike last weekend.
She waters the plants every day.
She waters the plants every day.
She watered the plants yesterday.
She watered the plants yesterday.
He feeds the cat every day.
He feeds the cat every day.
He fed the cat yesterday.
He fed the cat yesterday.
She washes her clothes every week.
She washes her clothes every week.
She washed her clothes last week.
She washed her clothes last week.
He calls his friend every night.
He calls his friend every night.
He called his friend last night.
He called his friend last night.
She brushes her tooth every day.
She brushes her tooth every day.
She brushed her tooth earlier.
She brushed her tooth earlier.
She sets the table every evening.
She sets the table every evening.
She set the table yesterday evening.
She set the table yesterday evening.
He opens the door.
He opens the door.
He opened the door earlier.
He opened the door earlier.
She locks the door every night.
She locks the door every night.
She locked the door earlier.
She locked the door earlier.
She carries bags every week.
She carries bags every week.
She carried bags yesterday.
She carried bags yesterday.
She climbs the ladder every day.
She climbs the ladder every day.
She climbed the ladder yesterday.
She climbed the ladder yesterday.
She sells fruits every day.
She sells fruits every day.
She sold fruits yesterday.
She sold fruits yesterday.
She kicks the ball every morning.
She kicks the ball every morning.
She kicked the ball yesterday.
She kicked the ball yesterday.
He paints a wall every weekend.
He paints a wall every weekend.
He painted a wall last weekend.
He painted a wall last weekend.
I jumps over the puddle every day.
I jumps over the puddle every day.
I jumped over the puddle yesterday.
I jumped over the puddle yesterday.